Hello developers, welcome back. I was preparing for the Laravel 45 package and then I came to know Taylor and the Laravel team has released a brand new package that is Laravel Breeze. So I thought let's make a video on this package first. So what exactly is this Laravel Breeze? Breeze provides a minimal, simple starting point for building Laravel application with authentication, just like Laravel UI. But this Laravel Breeze package is powered by Blade and Tailwind only. No Vue.js, no Livewire, no Inertia.js. Only Blade and Tailwind. And the best part of this package is that every route and controller exported directly to your application. But the question is why this package is created. When Laravel 8 released, it came with lots of new features and improvements. And along with that, Laravel team has also released Jetstream. This Jetstream package is for application scaffolding, which comes with many features like login, registration, email verification, two-factor authentication, session management, and optional team management. This is really great package that provides all of these features out of the box. But the problem with Jetstream is that it enforces the use of Livewire and Inertia for scaffolding, and many developers didn't like that. Maybe because they didn't want to learn new framework stack just to try out Laravel 8. So Laravel team has introduced this new Laravel Breeze package, which is really simple. You install it and it just works. Now let's try this package. I have already created a Laravel app to save time. We just need to run this composer require. So in the terminal, and here I'll run composer require Laravel Breeze dev, and it's installed. Next we need to run php artisan breeze install, and breeze scaffolding installed successfully. If I say git status, and these are the files this package has published. We will see these in a moment. First I will run npm install. Is done. Npm run dev. Now let's see this in browser. So php artisan serve, copy this and open this in the browser, and here we have Laravel homepage, and right here we have login and register page, and that is in the Tailwind CSS. Now to try this, first we need to run the migration. So in the terminal, php artisan migrate. We forgot to configure the database credentials in the .env file, so let's configure it. I have already created the database, and that is Breeze. Username is KetoLab and password is password. Now run the migration again. Now let's run the php artisan serve, and in the browser, now let's register the new account. Harish at example.com, password and register. Now we are successfully registered, and here we have simple dashboard which is similar to the Jetstream dashboard. Here we have logout. The best thing I like about this package is that it publishes routes, controllers, everything in the application. Let's see. So close this, and the routes web.php. Here it has created the dashboard route, and right here you can see it requires auth.php, and this auth.php has all the routes related to authentication: register, login, forget password, reset password, verify email, confirm, and logout. And if we see in the app http controllers, and in this auth we have all controllers related to authentication. Here we have authenticated session controller. This is for handling user login, confirmable password controller, email verification controller, new password registration, and so on. And if you want, you can customize it as you want. Next, it has published the request, and here is the login request. In this request we have rules, and here it is handling the authentication. This is to ensure the rate limit, and that is the throttle key. Next, in the providers, route service provider, here it has updated the home to dashboard. And next, and in the views components we have app layout and guest layout. Next, in the resources, views, and in the auth directory we have blade file for confirm password, forgot password, login, register, and so on. Here in the register blade you will see that they are using the blade component tags. Every tag starting from x dash are the blade component tags. This x guest layout is the class based component that you can see in the views components guest layout, and its view is rendered from the layouts guest. This one, layouts guest.blade.php, this one. And other this x auth card, these are the anonymous blade components that is in the components directory. These blade components are introduced in the Laravel 7. If you don't know about it, I have already created a dedicated video on this. I have explained in detail about class based and anonymous component tags and other features like props and slots. I definitely suggest you to watch that video also. Right now these views are only in Tailwind CSS, but you can replace it with Bootstrap if you want. These blade files are all yours. You can customize it however you want. After publishing all the assets, all the published files are yours. Nothing is handled from the Laravel Breeze package, and you can customize it however you want. The Breeze package work is done. We no longer need this package. So from the composer, if I remove this Laravel Breeze, and the application should work fine. Let's see this. So in the terminal, here I'll run composer update. Now Laravel Breeze is removed. So next, PHP artisan serve. Now let's see the browser, and it should work absolutely fine. We are logged in as Harish. Let's log out and log in again. Incorrect password. And we are logged in. One more cool thing about this package is that it also comes with PHP unit tests. Let's see, here is the tests, feature test, and here is the authentication tests, email verification tests, and so on. And in the terminal, if I run PHP artisan test, and all the tests passed. It has saved a lot of time to write these tests. After trying out this package, I feel that this Laravel Breeze may replace the Laravel UI package. What do you think about it? Share your thoughts and opinions about this package in the comment section. This is all in this lesson. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, hit the like button, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe us. See you in the next lesson.